Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you block someone on your Microsoft Teams. So welcome back to the channel. It is very easy and very simple. So let's get started. So open up your Microsoft Teams application. After opening the application, click on the chat section and open the chats. After opening the chats, click on the search bar and search for the contact which you want to block. After searching the contact, click on that very specific contact and open the contact's profile. After opening the profile, you will have the option of block contacts. Kindly press it and your contact will be blocked from your Microsoft Teams. This is how you can block a contact from your Microsoft Teams. It is very easy and it is very simple. Everyone can do it easily. I hope this video will help you a lot and you'll get a help with this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and also comment below.